Hello, Mr. J's Box Breaks here, coming at you with the fourth video in this series. This one's another English mystery box that is guaranteed a vintage assortment of cards. And this will contain commons, uncommons, and rares from vintage sets, including base, jungle, fossil, base set 2, Team Rocket, and potentially some others, but for the most part, those sets. On occasion, there may be Neo or Sandstorm, some of those types. What we've got today is the Team Rocket box. We did the fossil last time, we got Team Rocket this time. So let's go ahead and open her up, see what we get. Love these boxes. They're so cool to have. Used to tear them up pretty good as a kid because you just didn't realize the value they would hold one day. And, even though it's only a $35 value, it feels like power in the hands. All right, let's open her up. Love the artwork on there. Got some more bonus packs this time. Unbroken Bonds. And I believe it's another Chinese pack. Yep. Oh, tape. Oh, sweating on that one. Gengar art on that one. Little crease down there. Pretty cool. All right, let's get to the meat and potatoes of this one. Follow us on Instagram at Pokemon Cards Forever 3488 for better prices and deals through PayPal, friends and family. Hope to hear from you soon. Please go to eBay and do your purchases there. Okay, this may not be a surprise for me as I pull it off to the side. Oh my gosh, okay. I'm going to just pause for just a second. Thought I heard my dog knocking at the door. Okay, inside, we're going to go ahead and go through the loose cards first because I got a lot of promo inserts that I'm excited about. So we got Shelter from Fossil. And again, these are near mint to mint. Not bad. We've got Weedle from base set. Poliwag from the base set. Coughing from Team Rocket. They're the only Pokemon they seem to have on the show. Early on, at least. Farfetch'd. Ooh, Machop. One of my favorites. Ooh, Erica's Gloom. Growlithe. Machoke. Wonder if this is leading up to a Machamp card. Maybe not. Maybe. Ooh, Smeargle promo card. Jangmo-O. Jangmo-O. See, Sun and Moon promo. So we do get some more current ones sometimes. And then we have Heatran from Ultra Prism. I do not have this one. So that'll be a great one for the collection. This one I'm excited about. The Neo Discovery. Oh, it's always hard to see what it is. Look at that, unknown. Pretty cool. I love those. I got a couple of them, but it's always nice to have another one in the collection. Then the more common packs, we got XY Steam Siege, Sun and Moon Crimson Invasion, Sun and Moon Guardians Rising, Sun and Moon Burning Shadows. I'm burning for you. Dear God. The Vintage Pack. Sorry. I'm excited about this one. Hanger pack. Not pop through. Boom. There it is. Blastoise. Whew. That's exciting. Wow. My heart is beating out of my chest. Holy cow. That is awesome. Wizards of the Coast. Wow. No tampering. Sealed. Yep. I always like to check, make sure nobody resealed and glued. Reputable seller, so trust them, but wow. That's awesome. I am so happy to have that as part of my collection. Sweet. Awesome. I will definitely be buying from this seller again. Whew. Yeah. So there you go. This box was $4.99. I'd say it's definitely worth it. I have not been disappointed to date on any of these. This is fantastic. Every box has been a hit of nostalgia, a dream come true. Just amazing, utterly amazing. Thank you to Pokemon Cards Forever. And thank you to my followers. Please like, share, and subscribe. By getting 50 subscribers, we're going to do a $50 or $50 value giveaway for Pokemon content, items, gifts, miscellaneous. Everything will be brand new and shipped in the best of condition. So let's get this up to 50 subscribers and we can do a giveaway. Thank you, and I look forward to sharing another video with you. Mr. J.